Hello everyone. Today we're going to get acquainted with some unusual houses people have around the world. They can be unusual in shape, painting, design, or location. People can build houses themselves or hire a builder and an architect. Houses can be made to live in or for organizing tours around the house. Here are some pictures of unusual houses. Let's look at some descriptions of unusual houses. Munstead Water Tower House. It was built in 1898 in the south of England to supply water to the nearby houses and neighbouring villages. It was in use for about 70 years. The tower is 130 feet high and it has 6 floors. On the ground floor you can find a reception room. There are bedrooms on the first, second and third floors. The living room with a big gallery is on the 5th floor and the kitchen is on the 4th floor. There are 64 windows. There are 88 steps to the kitchen, 116 to the living room and 142 steps to the roof. That's a good way to keep fit. The Taj Mahal. Some interesting facts. 22,000 architects and workers were engaged in the construction of this palace. It was finally completed in 1653. More than 1,000 elephants were used to carry marble for the building. It took 17 years to construct the palace. The Taj Mahal changes color depending on the time of day. There are 4 minarets, each forming a corner around the main dome. They were built as protection against earthquakes. There are 8 main rooms, but there are also secret rooms inside the palace. Members of the public are not allowed in the secret rooms. There is a beautiful garden with 4 pools outside. The Taj Mahal is in India. It's made of white marble and precious stones. It's one of the new wonders of the world. 2.5 million tourists visit it every year. As you can see, there are a great many unusual houses, castles and palaces around the world. Today we've seen some beautiful and unusual houses. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.